Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. Obviously, I didn't mean to make a video this morning. Getting ready for church. Came out to do watering in the garden, and I noticed an issue on the tomato plant. Right? So let's take a look at it real quick and discuss it. What I noticed was kind of like a mosaic yellowing on the lower leaves. I went ahead and broke this one off to show you guys. Right? It is only on the lower leaves. It is not closer to the top of the plant, which is thriving, flowering, and producing a lot of tomatoes. So I started digging because that is what I am known for. And what I'm thinking this is, guys, it's going to be either a magnesium or a nitrogen issue. Because my garden is not overwatered, it is not underwatered. I do not believe I have fusarium wilt in this area. What I honestly believe is happening is we're in our second year of no-till, organic, regenerative market gardening. And I think my soil, I have a clay-based soil, and I really think what's happening here is just a lack of nutrients that are available to my plants. So, how is Sam gonna fix this tomato plant? I am gonna give it a very heavy foliar spray this evening of rabbit urine and rabbit manure mixture. Make sure that I get around the root zone of this plant. It is producing really well. It is growing super fast, and I think I'm just running low on nutrients. I'm also going to add a little bit of Epsom salt into water and spray around the roots just to give it a boost of magnesium. And I hope that that is going to be enough to stop whatever this is. Now, if it is a wilt, it is going to continue regardless of what I spray it with. So I did notice as I went a little further down the line that there's a couple of tiny spots on this plant as it is growing. So like I said, I think that for me, it's mainly coming down to I don't have enough nutrients available yet to the plants from the soil. So I'm really having to support this garden this year with worm castings, rabbit manure, compost that we make here at Starkey Farmstead. But I'm just gonna have to baby the plants a little bit as they establish. So I'm super excited. I am getting a lot of tomato growth, even on my smaller tomato plants. And another reason I really feel assured that it is coming from the soil is because all these plants were planted at the same time. And as I move down, you can definitely tell from that end down there to here that the plants just aren't as big, as robust, as, branchy. Though they are beginning to produce tomatoes, they just don't have the size as the ones on this end of the trellis. This end of the trellis was in the original no-till garden, so it's had a few more years of soil amending and conditioning. So that plant is really big compared to all the other plants on the same trellis. Again, I'm really thinking that's coming down to a nutrient deficiency. So I will spray it with a foliar spray of rabbit urine and rabbit manure mixture tonight. I will side dress with some worm castings around the root zone at the base of the plant where it's going into the soil. I'll move the mulch back. I will heavy apply the worm castings, probably some rabbit manure too. Cover it back up with the hay so that it breaks down faster. And I will add a little bit of magnesium water. And I'm gonna do that by a couple of tablespoons in a gallon of water. Let it dissolve, and I will gently pour that around the root zone. And I honestly think that this is gonna bounce right back. So you guys stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see how this tomato plant responds to the treatments I'm gonna give it.